Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's reading ay para ito kay Miss Miko Montefalco dahil nga marami ang nag-request na we will do a reading about her. So titingnan natin yung situation na which is possibly na mangyayari sa kanya in the future or anything na which is possible mangyayari. So let's just get our card and let's see about our reading for Miss Miko Montefalco. So, there is a big judgment na mangyayari. So, there is mga positive na mangyayari and either negative. So, merong mga good news and bad news. So, maraming mauungkat. Maraming dito merong hukom na mangyayari. And also, marami din kasinungalingan ang na-reveal or anything na malalaman ni Miss Miko Montefalco, which is another thing din na nagpapatrigger sa kanya. So, by means, marami ding taong sinasakyan siya ngayon sa kanyang situation. So, hindi lahat ng nag-chat or nag-ano sa kanya is totoo. Pinapatrigger lang siya, okay? Especially her mental health and her emotional health. Miko Montefalco is very creative. Yes, it is very obvious kasi nga, she's a content creator. So, anything na naiisip niya is nagagawa niya, which is her talent talaga or skill. And also, there's also a big changes na mangyayari kay Miss Miko Montefalco. She can also be more popular because of what happened. So, maraming mga positive outcomes din na mangyayari about her life. Yes, anything that she is dealing right now is even in the past, she's a warrior, so she's also a giver. She do everything for the people she love. Kaya nga, 'di ba, pag nagmahal si Miko Montefalco, talagang ibibigay niya talaga lahat sa iyo. But sad to say, napunta siya sa maling tao. And also, she is good at especially when it comes sa financial, magaling siyang magbalat ng buto. She is very good at finding money. She is very resourceful. So, yun nga. May mga disadvantages ang nangyayari dito kay Miko Montefalco. Dahil nga, even though the money is being waste, pero yung mental health and emotional health niya is malaking impact yun. So, she need also to be careful. Miko Montefalco, if you're watching this, okay, you need to be careful. She need to be careful because yung husband niya and all of the other girls that her husband is surrounded with is napatrigger din siya. So, anything na nangyayari din sa kanya ngayon is, yes, we all know it is because of his husband. And then, alam mo, his husband will try to manipulate him again and again. And also, there's also a lot of people na she's also talking with, so she need to be careful about anything. Kasi nga, iti-take advantage din yun. So, sirang-sira ngayon ang relationship niya. Okay, this is about his husband. So, nagiging mas umiiral na naman ngayon yung masculine type ni Miko Montefalco. Yes, dahil nga sa nangyari, she earns a lot. So, she got a lot of views, anything, no? So, may breakup nga nangyayari. Big opportunity na naman to for her and also, malaki din yung naging pera niya dito, especially in her videos. So, dahil dito, there's a lot of opportunities na nangyayari kay Miko Montefalco. Okay? Kasi, kumbaga, yung husband niya is, yun sa kanya blockages. Actually, that is the calling of universe yung nangyayari sa kanya. And also, may mga lakad si Miko Montefalco or anything Okay, this is possibly annulment or divorce ang mangyayari dito. May mga lakad siya na, kumbaga, kasama yung husband niya na hindi na matutuloy, hindi na mangyayari. So, there is something like annulment or divorce possibly na mangyayari. But, in the Philippines, it is so hard, diba? Especially if you don't have money. But since Miko Montefalco is, she is capable, so, it's her choice to make an annulment or divorce kasi she will have a lot of opportunities to come. So, yung husband niya ngayon, okay, it is worried kasi nga, wala siyang pera, di ba? Si Miko lang yung bumubuhay sa kanya. So, mangyayari dito, yung mga anything na meron ngayon yung husband ni Miko ay mawawala. Parang bula. Okay, isa sa snap. Anything. Kasi anything na meron yung lalaki is galing kay Miko. Tsaka marami ding tinutustusan tong lalaki ni Miko ha. Maraming babaeng involved dito and also excuse me. And ayun nga, parang nagiging dominante siya because of Miko to other girls. Okay? So lahat ng yun mawawala din. Yes, they're still not good. Well, 'di ba ang dami nagsasabi na content lang yung kay Miko? No. Hindi, totoo yung nangyayari, guys. Yung mental health or anything ni Miko ngayon, even her energy, you know what? Ano siya, pinaki-feel niya, pinapakita na she will be stronger and stronger, 'di ba? But eventually, she is still fighting for what she is feeling right now inside, especially her mental health and emotional health. Hindi nakakatulog si Miko ng maayos, guys. So, ano din, marami ding, possibly na iniisip siya na what ifs, di ba? She's more on negative lahat, but she is lucky kasi nga, she have a friends na na still binibigyan siya ng hopes and positive na mga gagawin or anything that brighten her life. So, she can stand up. Okay, makakamove on din itong si Miko, guys. And anything that she is planning right now is talagang mangyayari lahat. Yung mga gusto niyang possibly na mangyayari or yung mga plans niya, mangyayari at mangyayari yun. And then, hindi magsasagdan si Miko, guys. She will be more stand out. Mas magiging, as what I've said, she will have a lot of opportunities talaga na to come. So, may babaeng galit na galit din kay Miko Montefalco. She's a mother figured. Okay, ano to ha? In her energy right now, based on my absorption, so, ang mangyayari dito is, meron siyang, makakatapat. Okay? This person is also, talagang galit-galit kay Miko Montefalco. So, yes. Baga may magiging karma na mangyayari like that. Oo, naka-ano niyo na to dati, naka-misunderstand niyo na to dati or naparinggan, alam niyo na in social media, di ba? It's like that. Natutuwa yung babae kasi parang nag-succeed siya sa mga wishes niya regarding dun sa mga pangyayari ngayon ni Miko Montefalco. So, iniisip din ngayon ni Miko Montefalco on what to do and how to solve this problem or issue. So, kailangan niyang balansehin anything that she have right now. Kasi there's a big possibility din na na medyo may conflict na mangyayari. So, since yung mga kaibigan ni Miko and anything, helping her to conquer or to solve anything that is the situation right now. And galit na galit din talaga yung lalaki kay Miko, guys. Dahil nga, napahiya siya and all. So, alam niyo yun, yung may mga masamang plano pa kasi yung lalaki eh. You know what? To get anything what he want. Manipulative kasi yung lalaki and gaslighter. And hindi lang dyan, narcissist. Marami ding matutuwa sa mga fulfillment na mangyayari or magaganap regarding kay Miko. So, everyone is happy, maraming natutuwa. Alam niyo na naghiwalay sila or lumabas ng issue because maraming nagpray na sana matauhan talaga si Miko. Kasi nga si Miko kasi she is blinded by love. Alam niyo yun. Then especially nga dahil may anak sila or anything. Kasi si Miko kasi gusto niya home. Ganun siya. Secured siya. So hindi niya niisip na may mga mangyayari pang masama or anything. Alam yun. Kasi nga all of she think is positive pagdating sa family. Kaya nga lang, itong husband niya, tinitik advantage si Miko in every situation. Kasi nga, at the first place pa lang, hindi talaga ganun yung intention niya kay Miko. Okay, so, hindi niya talaga love si Miko and, yun nga, opportunista yung lalaki. So, yung lalaki nga nag-overthink din, hindi din makatulog. Same as Miko. Pero si Miko lang, more on positive side yung iniisip niya na mangyayari. Pero yung lalaki kasi, he will have nothing. Okay, back to zero yung mangyayari sa kanya. ano po sa mangyayari sa kanila ni Miko. Dahil si Miko, she will be more on opportunities to come. So, maraming lessons ang makukuha dito sa relationship ni Miko between Patrick. Okay? So, yun nga. Na-realize din ni Miko lahat-lahat ng mga pangyayari dito, no? Anything. So, naroon din mga taong gustong siraan si Miko. And also, marami din gusto siyang gawa ng hindi mabuti. So, she need to be careful in every situation. Kasi, even yung mga taong yung let's just say akala niya is nagsasabi ng totoo sa kanya or anything, yung mga nagsusumbong, some of them will trigger her talaga. Natutuwa sa nangyayari. So, si Miko naman din is everything is revolving around her, more in positivity. Kaya nga lang, she also need to also to see herself na as long as possible, she need to cut out anything na which is very toxic na. So, much better na she will do it in legal ways. Okay? In any action. Kasi may mga magre-reklamo din dito kay Miko. May alam yun, may mga magre-rebat din. May mga maungkot or may mangyayari din. Kumaga, bibigyan din nila ng problem or mga leaks or any issues si Miko. Yes, again, more opportunities na mangyayari dito kay Miko Montefalco. So, we will see kung ano yung guide or anything na may advice natin kay Miko Montefalco regarding dito sa issue. So, there's nothing to worry about to Miko Montefalco dahil she will receive a lot of blessings and abundance. Okay? And also, di ba nangyari ng kay Miko, yung anything ng mga trauma and all. So, take a step back sa mga pangyayari and it will be a lesson learned talaga sa kanya. Kasi advisor din si Miko Montefalco eh. So, di ba? Anything na in-advise sa kanya, parang, alam mo yun, napasampal sa kanya. Okay? Kasi nga, she is a good advisor. Pero ang nangyayari, nakakalimutan niya na yung mga sinasabi niya is unti-unting pinaparana sa kanya. So, there is always a lesson. So, kumbaga, pinaparealize din sa kanya ni universe na, oops, nakakalimutan mo na yung mga advices mo before. Baka mangyari yun sa'yo. Di ba? So, she need to cut the cord. Anything according sa mga negative energy or mga toxic na pangyayari kay Miko Montefalco. And also, she need to conceal and release any negative. Okay? Marami ding tao dito na ma-realize ni Miko na, they're just really good at me pag may nangyayari or anything sakay sa panahon. Kumbaga, ginagawang opportunity yung mga nangyayari kay Miko. Actually guys, yung mga nafe-feel ni Miko before, yung mga kutob niya and all, totoo lahat yun, which is nagbunga ngayon, di ba? So, she will also expect miracle, okay? So, yun lang. And, yun nga, ginagawa na naman ni universe yung mga para kay Miko. So, yun nga, struggle lang yan lahat. So, ano yan, after that, after what she feel, anything, there is more blessings and miracle na mangyayari sa kanya. More opportunities to come. Not just by her, pati din sa anak niya. And opposite din mangyayari dito kang Patrick. So, si Patrick ay more on negative ang mangyayari sa kanya dito. So, this is a divine timing ha. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Alam kasi ni universe na mabait si Miko. Hindi niya deserve yung ganung pangyayari. So, yun nga. Hindi iniisa-isa ni universe yung niya, yung pangyayari. Talagang alam naman ni Miko na na ginawa ni ng husband niya and all. Pero pinapatawad niya, which is yung mali ni Patrick is inulit niya. Mabait si universe, alam niyo ba kung bakit? Alam ni universe na hindi deserve ni Miko to. She's a good person with a pure heart. Alam mo yun? Pure intentions yung binigay niya kay Patrick eh. More opportunities to come. Alam niyo yun? So, ayun. Kasi nga, yung balik ni Patrick sa kanya is hindi mabuti. Kaya, yun, binulgar siya ni universe. Kasi, baka naaawa na siya kang Miko. Na parang, hindi naman deserve ng babaeng tong buhay. Alam mo yun? She has everything eh. Kailangan lang ni Miko dito yung loyalty and faithfulness ng tao. Pero yun nga, hindi yun naibigay sa kanya. Okay, so, and also, no, Miko will give forgiveness and understanding sa situation pero hindi pa ngayon. Close pa yung mind niya pagdating dito. Because of what she feel right now, yung emotions and mental health niya kasi sirang-sira. So, matagal pa ang process dito kay Miko na magiging okay siya. But eventually, she still have compassion naman in everything to do. So, kailangan, siya dito, tatagan niya ang loob niya sa sitwasyon dahil marami pa siyang pagdadaanan. Sleepless nights, anything and all. May mga biglang maiisip siya na ma-realize niya. Hindi instant lahat pero unti-unti niya itong makikita along the way. So, yung inner child healing ni Miko, it's not. Instead na ma-healed, talagang back to zero mangyayari sa kanya, no? So, she need guidance, she need proper care talaga. So, kailangan sa mga friends ni Miko, she need please guide her in any situation that is about to happen kasi trauma to ni Miko before yung inner child healing niya hindi nangyari. Kumbaga, ang laki ng sapa dito sa kanya. Kasi walang honesty and resolution yung nangyayari dito, wala. Kasi nga yung husband niya is still on denial pa rin until now. Okay? Sa mga ginagawa niya. And then eventually, even if hihingi to ng sorry, may to siya may pabawi pang salita na anything na which is pag-gaslight na naman ulit. Kasi alam ng lalaki na si Miko is she is a mother, father God. Mabait na tao si Miko. In everything she do, she is a giver, she's mapagmahal. So, may signs and reminders si Miko na anything that she is struggling right now is may positive naman na mangyayari dyan. Mas grabe pa. So, as what I've said, she will expect miracle and everything na mangyayari sa kanya. Kasi, everybody knows and she knows that her love is holy. Ibang si Miko magmahal, guys. Talagang todo siyang magmahal. So, swerte yung taong na mapunta sa kanya or magmamahal sa kanya or mga minamahal niya. Swerte sa kanya. So, surrender lang anything that you're feeling right now, Miko, dahil magiging okay din ang lahat. And there's a lot of opportunity and change na mangyayari kay Miko, which is very positive, no? So, there's a big transformation na mangyayari. Kasi si Miko na tao, may strength and guidance siya always. So, kahit nga, kahit nga ganito yung nangyayari sa kanya, she's still trying to do her best na maging okay ang lahat. Kasi strong and independent woman si Miko. So, may joy and contentment din siya. So, any situation na mangyayari sa kanya, positive naman. Aside nga dito, she need to be patient and more, kailangan balansehin niya yung mga, niya dito yung nafe-feel niya or any decision making na ginagawa niya. Kasi, si Miko ngayon, she is very indecisive in every situation. Kasi nga, yung mental health niya, yung emotional health niya is, hindi okay. So, the more na, yung reactions niya dito, it's up to her, di ba? Pero nga, she's been cheated on. So, hopefully, maging okay ang lahat sa kanya dahil si universe, ayaw niya makita ang ganito si Miko. So, yung mga nambabash kay Miko dyan and all, okay, you should understand kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanya because it's not good na din, di ba? So, stay strong lang everyone and more power.